Picture this. You're just casually browsing online, right? You see this flashy limited time offer, and boom, suddenly you're checking out with something you literally never planned to buy. I mean, we've all been there. It feels fantastic in the moment, but later, yeah, cue the regret. Impulse buying is honestly one of the biggest reasons people lose money without even realizing it. It's like a leaky faucet, silently destroying your budget, racking up credit card debt, and completely stalling your savings goals. Welcome to This Explainer. Today we're going to break down exactly how to stop impulse buying dead in its tracks and actually start saving more of your hard-earned money. Okay, so let's just dive right into it by asking the ultimate question. You absolutely must confront this right now. Am I buying this because I need it or because of emotion? It sounds like a simple question, I know, but asking yourself this every single time you're about to hit that buy button is the crucial first step to breaking the cycle of unconscious spending. Now, really quick, before we map out your exact action plan, just a small reminder. This explainer is strictly for educational purposes, okay? It's not formal financial advice. We're just here to give you practical, beginner-friendly strategies that you can apply to your own budget right away. All right, Section 1, the root cause, understanding triggers. To actually solve this problem, we first have to wrap our heads around the fact that impulse buying usually isn't a discipline issue at all. Actually, it's an emotional reaction. People don't just buy things, right? They buy feelings. And you know what's really fascinating? It's how incredibly universal these triggers are. Most impulse buying happens simply because we're bored, stressed, sad, excited, or honestly, even just tired. I mean, think about those late-night scrolling purchases. We often shop just to feel a little bit better in the moment, or because we see everyone else buying stuff online and we kind of want in on the fun. Figuring out your specific trigger is absolutely key to catching yourself before you swipe that card. So let's move right along to Section 2, the action plan, taking back control. Once you know exactly why you're tempted to spend, you need a solid system to stop yourself and purposefully save that cash instead. Let's equip you with some really practical rules to defeat these temptations once and for all. The absolute heart of our first rule revolves around the number 24. Yep, the 24-hour rule. It's a total game changer. If you want to buy something that isn't completely urgent, go ahead and add it to your cart. But do not check out for one full day. Leave it there. For bigger, more expensive items, stretch that out to a 7-day rule. Just give yourself that buffer time to let the false excitement wear off. 9 times out of 10, you'll make up the next day and realize you didn't even want the thing anyway. Step 3 is all about playing defense. Look, big companies spend heavily, and I mean heavily, to make you buy quickly. So you've got to protect yourself from browsing when you're just bored. You need to remove the temptation entirely. Go ahead and unsubscribe from those daily shopping emails, turn off the app notifications that constantly ping your phone, and delete the shopping apps you know you use way too much. Bottom line, if it's harder to browse, it is definitely harder to buy. Now, steps 4 and 5. These are here to ensure you can still actually enjoy your life without wrecking your budget. First up, give yourself a fun allowance. Set a small monthly limit, say $50 or $100, just for fun, absolutely guilt-free spending. But when that limit is gone, you're done until next month. No exceptions. Second, always shop with a list. Whether it's groceries, clothes, household stuff, a list keeps you laser-focused and protects you from all those random off-plan purchases. Okay, step 6. This is about escaping the classic sale trap. Look at the psychology here. A 50% discount versus 100% spending. So many of us buy things simply because they have a red sale tag on them. But you have to realize, if the item is completely unnecessary, a markdown is still just you losing your money. Think about it. If you didn't need it in the first place, you aren't saving 50%. You are literally spending 100% of the purchase price. Moving on to step 7. This is where we shift from just avoiding spending to actively building wealth. Every single time you dodge an impulse purchase, immediately move that exact amount you almost spent straight into your savings account. Seriously, if you almost bought a $30 shirt, but you used the 24-hour rule and stopped yourself, open your banking app and transfer $30 into your savings right then and there. It makes your progress so tangible, and you get to actually watch your money grow. And to put that into perspective, just watch how incredibly fast this builds when we run the math. Dodging just a small $25 of impulse buying a week, that compounds into a massive $1,200 of annual savings. Avoid $50 of impulse spending a week, and boom, that is $2,600 saved per year. Those tiny daily decisions absolutely add up to huge visible wealth before you even know it. Remember, reining in impulse buying isn't some sort of punishment that stops all the fun in your life. Far from it. It is a profound choice to choose your future over temporary excitement. It's really just about learning to buy with purpose, spend with control, and save with real consistency. So, as we wrap up this explainer, I want you to really ask yourself, what future goal are you going to fund with your new savings? Is it going to be a dream vacation, a solid emergency fund, or maybe an investment account? Keep that exact goal in your mind the next time you feel that itch to impulse buy. Well, I hope this guide helped you out today. Be sure to follow Cash Control 360 for more simple money tips to save, invest, and grow. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and hey, happy saving.